students! Welcome to our new normal classroom. I am your virtual teacher and I'm here to teach you math. So before we start, don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe button. So for our lesson for today, we're going to discuss about dividing simple fraction, whole number by fraction, and vice versa. So this is for our students in grade 5. So let's have a review. Find the reciprocal of the following. 5 over 6. The reciprocal is 6 fifths. Next, 21. The reciprocal is 1 over 21. 1 and 2 fifths. The reciprocal is 5 all over 7. 10 and 5/8. The reciprocal is 8 all over 85. Division of fractions is a simple operation. You will be surprised to know that division of one fraction by other fraction is actually a process of multiplication of fractions. After going through with this lesson, you are expected to divide a simple fraction, whole number by a fraction, and vice versa. So how do we divide fractions? So for our example, we have 1/5 divided by 3/4. So paano nga ba tayo nagdi-divide? So unang step, kunin muna natin yung reciprocal ng ating divisor. So ano nga bang reciprocal ni 3/4? So, ang reciprocal niya is 4 all over 3. Then, change the division sign into multiplication sign. So, si divide magiging multiply. Then, copy the dividend. So, 1 all over 5. So, next step is to proceed to the multiplication. Let us solve this. So, 1/5 times 4/3. Diba, kapag multiplication, we will first multiply the numerator. So, 1 times 4 is equal to 4 all over the denominator, 5 times 3. 5 times 3 is equal to 15. So, 4 all over 15. Nasa lowest term na ba si 4 over 15? Okay, nasa lowest term na. So, this is your final answer. Okay, another example. We have 10 all over 12 divided by 1/2. Okay, sabi ko, kunin muna natin ang reciprocal. So, 1/2 will become 2 all over 1. Then, the division sign will become multiplication sign. So, magiging times. Then, copy 10 all over 12. Tatandaan na, yung dividend lang ang hindi ire-reciprocal. Laging ang divisor ang ating ire-reciprocal. Okay, now, let us multiply. So, 10 times 2 is equal to 20. Next is the denominator. So, 12 times 1 is equal to 12. Ngayon, nasa lowest term na ba sa 20 over 12? Okay, wala pa. Pwede natin siyang i-divide kay 4 dahil 4 ang kanyang GCN. Next, let us divide. 20 divided by 4 is 5. All over 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. Anong tawag sa fraction na to? Ito ay improper fraction. So, we will change the improper fraction into mixed number. So, 5 divided by 3 is 1. Multiply. 1 times 3 is equal to 3. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. So, your whole number is 1. Your numerator is 2. And your denominator is 3. So, kapag dinivide natin si 10 over 12 kay 1/2, our answer will become 1 and 2/3. Okay, another example, we have 9 all over 13 divided by 3 over 4. Okay, unang step, we're going to get the reciprocal of 3/4. So, we have 4 all over 3. Then, the division sign will become multiplication. Then, same lang yung ating dividend. So, 9 all over 13. Next, tingnan nyo, meron ba tayo pwedeng i-cancel? Okay, pwede natin i-cancel si 9 saka si 3. Kanino natin sila pwedeng i-divide? We can divide them kay 3. So, 9 divided by 3 is 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Now, let us multiply. 3 times 4 is equal to 12. 13 times 1 is equal to 13. Nasa lowest term na ba? Okay, nasa lowest term na. So, if you divide 9 over 13 divided by 34, our answer is 12 all over 13. Okay, paano naman kung meron tayong mixed number na nakikita? Halimbawa, 1 and 1/5 divided by 1/2. So, una, gagawin nating improper fraction si mixed number. So, paano nga ba yun? 5 times 1 is equal to 5 plus 1. So, we have 6 all over 5. Then, kunin ang reciprocal ni 1/2, magiging 2 all over 1. Then, division sign will become multiply. Next, let us answer. 6 times 2 is equal to 12. 5 times 1 is equal to 5. Ngayon, improper fraction siya. Gawin natin siya mixed number. So, let us divide 12 by 5. 12 divided by 5 is 2. 2 times 5 is equal to 10. 12 minus 2. 12 minus 10 rather is equal to 2. Then, this is our mixed number. So, our mixed number is 2 and 2/5. So, 1 and 1/5 divided by 1/2 is equal to 2 and 2/5. Okay, another example. We have 3 and 4/5 divided by 2/5. Okay, gawin ulit natin improper fraction yung ating mixed number. So, 5 times 3 is 15 plus 4, so 19. 19 all over the same denominator, 5. Yung division sign, magiging multiply, then get the reciprocal. So, magiging 5 all over 2. Next, let us cancel. Pwede nating i-cancel si 5. So, 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. Let us multiply. 19 times 1 is equal to 19. 1 times 2 is equal to 2. Next, let us change 19 over 2 into mixed number. So, 19 divided by 2 is equal to 9. 9 times 2 is equal to 18. 19 minus 18 is equal to 1. So, our whole number is 9. Our numerator is 1 and our denominator is 2. So, 3 and 4/5 divided by 2/5 is equal to 9 and 1/2. Another example, we have 3 and 1/3 divided by 1/9. Okay, first, gawin muna natin siyang improper. 3 times 3 is equal to 9 plus 1. So, we have 10 all over 3. Division sign will become multiplication sign. Then, 1 over 9, reciprocal, magiging 9 over 1. Now, let us cancel. So, we have 9 and 3. 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. 10 times 3 is equal to 30 all over 1 times 1 is equal to 1. So, 30 over 1 is also equal to 30. Another example, we have 1 and 1/5 divided by 2 and 1/10. So, ano kayang mapapansin natin? We have 1/5 divided by 2 and 1/10. So, parehas na silang mixed numbers. So, unang gagawin natin is to change the mixed numbers into improper fraction. So, huwag kayong malilito. I-improper nyo muna. 5 times 1 is equal to 5 plus 1. So, we have 6 all over 5. 10 times 2 is equal to 20 plus 1. So, we have 21 all over 10. Ngayon, pag naging improper fraction na siya, pwede na nating i-apply yung division. So, kasi 1 and 1/5 magiging 6 all over 5. Yung division sign magiging multiplication, then get the reciprocal. Ito yung babalik na rin natin. So, we have 10 all over 21. Okay, tingnan nyo mabuti. Meron ba tayong pwedeng i-cancel? Okay, pwede natin i-cancel si 5 saka si 10. Kanino natin i-divide? We're going to divide them by 5. So, 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. Ngayon, pwede ba natin i-cancel si 6 saka si 21? Okay, pwede. Kanino natin silang pwede i-divide? We can divide them by 3. So, 6 divided by 3 is 2. 21 divided by 3 is 7. Meron pa ba? Okay, wala na. Next, proceed to multiplication. So, 2 times 2 is equal to 4. 1 times 7 is equal to 7. So, 1 and 1/5 divided by 2 and 1/10. Our answer is 4 all over 7. Another example. Okay, another example. We have 2 and 1/4 divided by 3 and 2/3. Okay, gawin muna natin improper. 4 times 2 is equal to 8 plus 1. So, 9 all over 4. 3 times 3 is equal to 9 plus 2. We have 11 all over 3. Okay, let's proceed to division. So, 2 and 1/4 will become 9 over 4. Yung divide, magiging multiply. Then, get the reciprocal ni 11 over 3. So, magiging 3 all over 11. So, meron ba tayong pwedeng i-cancel? Okay, wala. Let us proceed to multiplication. 9 times 3 is equal to 27 all over 4 times 11, 44. So, nasa lowest term na ba? Nasa lowest term siya. So, if we divide 2 and 1/4 and 3 and 2/3, our answer is 27 all over 44. Okay, another example. We have 2 and 1/6 divided by 3 and 1/4. Okay, gawin muna natin improper. 2 times 6 is equal to 12 plus 1. So, we have 13 all over 6. Proper fraction to Next, 4 times 3 is equal to 12 plus 1. So, we have 13 all over 4. Ngayon, punta na tayo sa division. So, 2 and 1/6 will become 13 all over 6. Then, yung divide, magiging multiply. Then, get the reciprocal. So, magiging 4 all over 13. Ngayon, meron ba tayong pwedeng i-cancel? Meron. Si 13 saka si 13. 13 divided by 13 is 1. 13 divided by 13 is 1. Next, cancel. Di-divide natin si 4 saka si 6 kay 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 1 times 2 is equal to 2. 3 times 1 is equal to 3. So, 2 and 1/6 divided by 3 and 1/4 is equal to 2 over 3.
Ano naman kapag whole number yung given natin? Halimbawa, 1/5 divided by 3. So, tatandaan, si 3 lagi meron siyang denominator na 1. Okay? Next, let's proceed to divide. 1/5. Yung divide magiging times, then reciprocal ni 3 over 1, which is 1 all over 3. Next, let us multiply. 1 times 1 is equal to 1 all over 5 times 3 is equal to 15. Another example, 1 and 2/3 divided by 4. Okay, gawin muna nating improper fraction, si 1 and 2/3. 3 times 1 is equal to 3 plus 2, so we have 5 all over 3. 4 natin, whole number, meron siya laging denominator na 1, so making 4 over 1. Let's proceed to division. So, 1 and 2/3 will become 5 over 3. Yung divide magiging times, then the reciprocal of 4 over 1 is 1/4. Next, proceed to multiply. 5 times 1 is equal to 5. 3 times 4 is equal to 12. So, 1 and 2/3 divided by 4 over 1 is equal to 5/12.
Remember, to divide a whole number by a fraction, multiply the dividend by the reciprocal of the divisor. In order to find the reciprocal of a fraction, reverse the position of the numerator and the denominator. If the fraction is a mixed number, change the mixed number to an improper fraction first, then get the reciprocal of the given improper fraction. If the numbers to be divided are mixed numbers, change them first to improper fractions before dividing. Thank you for listening. I am your virtual teacher. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Goodbye!